All right, guys, just finished up this 2020 2500 HD Chevy, 6.5-inch BDS lift with Fox shocks and steering stabilizer. Got the 24x12 Fuel Sabres in chrome, 37, 13, 50, 24 Toyo RTs. We really like to add a stabilizer on these trucks just because they have sensitive steering, and any shimmies and shakes from the wheels and tires will be felt by the driver without the stabilizer. Some minor trimming on this one to the plastic. Trim the valence here, some of your inner carpet liners there, and then your mud flap. Very minor. Tires clear pretty good. No rubbing lock to lock, doing a full sweep. Of course, we did the power steps, which we always like to do on a lifted truck, or really even a stock truck. They just are a really nice upgrade and add a lot of functionality on getting in and out of the truck. Give you a quick look at the lift itself. And this is the non-torsion drop kit, meaning that it has this little bracket right here that raises the torsion bar up on top of the control arm and just keeps it in the factory pocket instead of dropping it down at the cross member as a torsion drop kit would do. The advantage is that it just looks nicer, it's cleaner. You don't have torsion bars hanging down below the truck, killing your ground clearance. All right, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you are.